Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run through the intersection we have set up here. It's 24 by 36. And I'm going to show you all the things you could do in this one exercise. First, I'll run through the intersection as normal. And this is, by the way, from my point of view. I'm wearing camera glasses. Practicing our U-turns and quick transitions. By the way, you don't need near as many cones as I have set up here. You can get by with about a third. Now I'm going to go into this leg and I'm going to make a circle and a half, practicing your circles inside the intersection. Make a regular U-turn here. Notice how quick I'm turning my head and eyes. I'm going to do another circle and a half here. I'm doing a circle so my head is always looking over my left shoulder. Now what I like to do with my students is have them reverse it, so that all your U-turns are going to be to the right. Nothing changes. Most people have a problem making right-hand U-turns. That's because you do them less often. Practice the right-hand U-turns more, and you'll get just as good to the right as you are to the left. Now I'm going to go back in on the correct side, and I'm going to do a figure 8 in the leg. You've already got it set up as an intersection. Why not add the figure 8 to it? This forces you to use your head and eyes to the extreme. You can pull into this leg, make a regular U-turn so you rest your hand a little bit. Get into the next leg, regular figure 8. We show you all this in my Ride Like a Pro video. Remember, just 20 bucks. You can't go wrong, folks. You spend $25,000 on a motorcycle you can't ride. It's crazy. All these techniques force you to ride better. You use your head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit of rear brake. There's nothing to it. We're also going to pull in here, since we got 2 parking spaces straight ahead of me. I'm going to do an 18-foot turn. Do another one right here. There's a whole bunch of practice you can get just by setting up this exercise. If you only put 4 cones in the middle and 2 at each end, that's really all you'll need if you go to a lined parking lot. In a lined parking lot, the spaces are always 9 feet apart. That scraping you hear is just the floorboard scraping. Should find your bike's lean limits. Till next week.